Thank you for having me this afternoon. My name is Chris Brown, and I'm a CNA from Elevate Care Chicago North. I'm honored to speak today at the historical National Day of Action. The strike for Black Lives is not a meme, it's a movement. And our movement must be meaningful and substantial. It must involve real solutions. It must contain policies that invest in Black lives and Black families and Black communities. Black workers need results, not rhetoric. The movement for the Black lives must be political and a social movement that attacks the roots of causes of poverty, income inequality, education, and healthcare disparities, and to give Black communities the tools to rebuild our neighborhoods. This is why one of the most profound solutions for working with people, including Black communities, is to commit to passing the fair tax on this year's November ballot. The fair tax simply says that those who own more money such as the millionaires, should simply pay a higher taxes than those who earn less money should pay lower taxes in their tax rate. It is a very definition of fairness, And yet, the simple question on November 3rd, the ballot, to get rid of the current flat tax system, which allows CEOs to earn $1.5 million to pay the same tax rate as the nursing home workers who make $15,000 a year, is absolutely transformational and profound. Because this simple change will mean that Illinois will raise the estimate of $3.5 billion in the next revenue, that we can expand health care for low-income families. It means we can. Hello, 1, 2. Oh, sorry about that. It means we can invest in the scale of our state. We can invest and scale our state child care system, which is on the brink of collapse. It means we can provide nursing home and hospital workers with the resources and PPE that deals with COVID-19 pandemic. Since the President Trump clearly doesn't care about the bad pandemics, get each and every state fighting the virus alone. If you're rich or the head of a corporation, you simply can't say you support Black Lives Matter, then turn around and say you oppose the fair tax. Don't tell everybody you want to heal the racial wounds and the racial divisions, but then turn around and say you don't support investing more money into the lives of Black workers and Black communities. If you want to create a fair, equitable, and just society that bridges the racial and income gap in Illinois, then yes, demanding the fair tax is absolutely essential. The struggle to dismantle systemic racism is long and hard, but right now we have a movement and solution right in front of us to make the great strides to create more opportunity and more for everyone. The passing of the fair tax is the top of that agenda. We simply cannot and we must not let this community transform our state's broken tax system that benefits the very rich that goes to waste. And I want to thank you.